And show the marker say, him not lyrically better than Masicka, no time.
So him call up your name in
Yeah, so we just have to straighten it out and make him know, say, you're small, you're lyrically. You know reach that level there yet lyrically.
A few moments later.
May I represent for one Media Fox? Media Fox, how the latest news them lock?
Don't know Media Fox, you know. Yeah, man, you know what things set, man. So, we're gonna play that clip here, people. Zine, you don't know this a Masicka and you talk about your own man conscience usually link and you know my fault from the conscience. You see me? Label the, you know? Subconscious brand. So you don't know him go off when name DeMarco. I try to defend the camp and thing, but we know say from a long time Masicka a coward. Him just a coward. All him do just run off him mouth one bag of chatting. You understand? And go for the man them. Him always a try war the man them when I pay him the mind. Zine like him and the man them and him know nothing but him just love pick up war. Him come like a dog where you know you pass a even time and this dog always a bark as you gotta get them run go around. Yeah man, but pre-video.
Part of
Subconscious. So I defend the thing.
Okay.
As and show the marker say, him not lyrically better than Masicka, no time.
So him call up your name in
Yeah, so we just have to straighten it out and make him know, say, you're small, yet lyrically. You know reach that level there yet lyrically.
So it sounds like you could take on a clash at Sting.
Yeah man, right now.
You would?
Right now.
Yeah? So but if the mark already, you would do a clash with him?
Right now, right on stage, right here, sir, right now.
Really?
Right, yes, sir.
Okay. Well, the mark of the call is out for you, sir. So this time of the year, the whole town went sick.
I know, sir.
Every man want clash, every man have enemies. It's
music.
So you think clash can bring it back?
Yeah, because the music boring right now. You know what I mean? And the people them want to see some entertainment right now. That is them. Me get up and do this song for the marker. It not gonna really benefit my career in any way. You know?
People, remember what him just say a while ago, you know. Him say him a go in a clash with DeMarco. Now go benefit him career. Them time Masicka no boss it, you know. See? And remember say at the war between him and DeMarco make people start look within whatever him a do and you don't know him go up and sting and you know? So him a say yo it never do nothing for him, but look how him a go Zine, him a go ricochet himself. Watch out.
I mean, but him do this song and me know personally DeMarco, no bad lyrically, nowhere near bad lyrically. And I mean DeMarco try the vibes cartel. So we have to just get up and straighten it out and make him know say.
Should be the same.
Him Masicka always a say that. Why Masicka always a say people always a try to be vice cartel, but him are the one we a try to be vice cartel where everything a vice cartel always a forward out time mouth. Eh? You been follow behind cartel, brother. You dey go up on stage every time you call cartel, bro. You been a try stay in a cartel shadow and you see me a try be cartel fam. That we know of, brother. I just threw the little war, you know, and the little back and forth thing, brother, but we know that's you.
Yeah, as demon and the man.
No, man,
a clash camp, you mean?
No, what kind of demon? No, sir. Big up God every time, man. No demon to...
People, this is like 10 years ago, you know. You see what happened 10 years ago? I reflect back now in a 2025. Seeing? The same little war, them a try involve Alkaline back in the war. But I don't know what things said. Cause right now, see Tamili go call say about Brata Bass and one bag of things. So everybody a look for where Masicka go say about that line they know.
Thing, man, man.
You know a demon?
No, man, what kind of demon?
So you know rate family?
I rate every artist.
Yeah.
From you do the music.
You rate it.
I love
you
dance.
the demon
Yeah,
thing.
but me ain't the fooling show them, you know. I joke thing them I did, a circus them up.
Yes, give me a comment. Because you sound very outspoken right now. Give me a comment. Comment for me on. So you just commented on Tommy Lee. Comment for me on Alkaline. What about Alkaline? What's your view on Alkaline?
You laugh after this now, you know. Cause look you now. Alkaline no then nowhere for him and Masicka in a no clash and confrontation, you know. See, remember say Alkaline for the night game never look no attention from nobody. But because him rate Cartel and Chu, you know, the little thing with Alkaline and Cartel, he might try show worse. But you must say.
You rate him?
Personally, Alkaline is a talented DJ, but him for just accept the fact that him live in a Vibes Cartel shadow and him a try be Vibes Cartel.
So him said DeMarco and Alkaline a try be Vibes Cartel. See? But him is the one where forward pan stage a talk about him some man a say go live vendetta and him a say Gaza genocide. Him always when him a clash on stage, him call cartel name. See? But look what go on.
You know what I mean? And him still now come and say much like the Vibes Cartel. As I say, I no rate Alkaline still. The music bad, but the type of thing them when him sing about as a youth from the street and as a youth we grow in the street and know the street. And that's something with me really I go get up and real for. You know what I mean? Because we just street youth.
Gage.
Clown, man. Them are, as I tell you, a circus still. Because Gage a clown, man.
Yeah?
Yeah, man.
So, what are they?
Watch it. Him nervous, you know. Him nervous, you know, people. All him a do does, him a look down. A coward that. Remember me tell you, coward. All him a say does. Yeah, man. A circus, man. Him not have nothing to say. Cause look here, him no want war them and they know. Demarco him want war. Yeah, because him know say yo, Demarco is not that man where really look like a war artist. A them man they understand. Him no want war Alkaline and Gage.
So what if he wants to clash you? The both of your hands thing, if he wants to clash you, would you clash him?
Winford, right now. On that stage, right, yes, sir.
So wait a minute, you know. So we didn't put you in the mix when we were talking about this pending clash, this potential clash at stake. Now it's a four-way thing because Alkaline is in there, Masicka is in there, Tommy Lee and Gage. And you...
Yo, him and them try to involve Alkaline in a clash, you know. Me don't know how Alkaline reaching this a clash away man them a do, you know. I don't know what really a go on. But the man them a try involve Alkaline for try draw him out. But Alkaline ain't that. Them call him for sting, yo, Alkaline have other engagement. Yeah, cause brother, you not try look at hype for the youth thing. You see it. And that's it.
You say you're ready. So you ready, Gage ready, Tommy Lee ready. Only Alkaline is outstanding.
Afraid, man.
Wow.
You see it, I'm afraid, man. I look up in the sky. Brother, brother, you see, I say it going when you're hungry, you know. Yeah, man, when you're hungry, man, you eat anything. I tell you eat anything. So, you look like Masicka now. Right now, them time them do hungry for war, so it's like him war anybody. You see it? Yeah, man.
How has it affected your career so far? This feud.
Remember him saying the war with the feud with the man Demarco and so it not gonna really do nothing for him, but here I'm gonna say now.
You know, say everything. I'm not gonna say everything, but everything's sky high right now.
Everything is going good for you.
The thing are going good. You know what I mean? I get shows, not just in Jamaica.
Yo, that brother are different, man. I tell you. Masicka, I don't know that. I don't know if people, but these people, these are when him a war try calling Demarco up and sting. Here we go.
Come up here, run him run gun, that's that work first. Him afraid I put more people them. Say afraid boy! You hear me now? Play them and talk to them. Hold on.
People want to hear lyrics, you know. Then say I'm lyrical. Hear lyrics.
Them say you're afraid of Bunty, nobody. Dean it, nobody. I don't know nobody. Demarco, nobody. Demarco, war and him a wash girl body. Me kill boy, bro, the light like Addy. Man, not to fire. Next one.
So, forget a forward, him have to call Vice Cartel name. Him kill boy, Brady like Addy. Look how much time I go call Vice Cartel name.
Hold on. Come in and come and put more for laughing people. We come and put more for kill people. If we don't want lyrics, then lyrics. A young general.
People, listen. If you don't want lyrics, lyrics.
Balance, rough up. Demarco stop chase, frack face, cat face to a buck, a buck and a play. What place, which place, six place out of it. What do them? Lift it back again. Me not come and jab her to play. All of the bad man, them in a port more, give me this. We not a violation from no boy. Me say big up Vibes Cartel, I want the baddest artist.
You saw me I try to tell you. This a man where I say Demarco Alkaline in a cartel shadow. Cartel is a prison. And this a man at the road that do clash. And I said big up Vice Cartel, my the baddest. We don't know how that drop in. We don't know him as a man that use man style and when him I use Vice Cartel, forget a forward. When him say my so-called one clash and call out, man. Eh? It not make no sense, brother.
Rough cut. Them not have nobody to warn me. They would have to let out Cartel out of jail. Everybody else are going to fear.
See there? Cartel again. Dog. Ah, boy. Masicka. Brother. I don't know. It's like you can't war somebody who really want to war you, dog. May I tell you that? You always have the strength for people who now meds you. And that I realize. You see it. And that me really realized that. Cause you're on the stage, you don't call out DeMarco and there be a cartel you're involved, dog. When not make no sense.
Bounce me now, cause the Marco run gone. Him not have no lyrics. You see me? Them free. Mix. Balance. The Marco.
Hear lyrics, people.
Stop chase, frap face, cat face. You a bow cat, go to your lap place. What place, which place? 6 race out of the clock. You a gal piss, but you a shit face. Rifle shit. Next. What are the river people there? Turn it down. If a boy this my mother, I swear to God me done with music because I'm a dead. Come here to your mother, make me hear some nice custom. Boom, boom.
Yo, man, I tell you, I tell you people. Right now, I don't know. I don't know what them we call lyrical, but Masicka is just an artist who just sing some rhyming song, yeah. And him just bad up himself. But the lyrical part, I don't know. I don't know if that really did it. You see it. But right now, I don't know. Masicka Warren skill are just joke thing, yeah, man. Just joke thing. Him can't finish him argument them. Him just always a cut it. You see it. This man a do 6 minute worth of song, 5 minute worth of songs of nothing. Just a regular gun song. You see it. This a man does him always a people nibbling upon name and him a do the most talk. Him a say him a the baddest artist, him a the goat, him a the this, him a the that. But bro, you not prove nothing yet. Because no matter where you take it, brother, you've been living in a cartel shadow, bro. You've been living in a cartel shadow. Anybody feel live in a cartel shadow, are you, brother? Me I tell you that, are you. There's nobody else. You see, because in this a war with him and Tamili right now. Because as me say, 10 years ago, it just a repeat right now. See, him and Tamili a war. You don't know Tamili. Try to involve Alkaline. We don't know if Alkaline got a real answer that right now. You see it. But we just know say it's sticky right now, because right now people them a look for you. The line where Masicka say about, the line where Tamili say about Brata Boss, him afraid of Brata Boss or something. And people them a say, alright, look what him a go say, but we know Masicka things stay already, maybe no really preach. You see me, but I don't know, not even know if Alkaline gonna even give them no attention, you understand? Yeah, cause different focus right now. Yeah. But if Alka choose to run out, you don't know a grave. You see me, cause remember, you know, Alkaline 10 step ahead of them, you know. And that's the problem. So, I have to just go and do what I do. And make we see what I go on at the work, cause right now, I tell you, Tamili give Masicka a birthday present today, cause I tell you that one day, but I didn't know so them have a call Alkaline name. I know that. So them have a call Alkaline. Everybody supposed to know say yo Masicka afraid. Cause remember you know. Remember say Alkaline go up on Stonefest and this Tamili brawling. You see me? Brawling in this Tamili. When the man say yo, you will get down in a Friday, mash up your place. You see, this Tamili man. Man say yo, Tamili, me know the backstage, I must get this. Yeah man, so Alkaline afraid of nobody, brother. You see it, him not afraid of nobody. Them man they, yo, them man they war calculated, man. So when them man they run out, I know nothing normal. I tell you, I could have 6 birds, them I get it. You see it. But I don't know things said, you are going, alright. But I go see how it end up. Yeah, and I just saw the thing said. But people, I don't know media facts, you know. Yeah man, big up on yourself, I don't know. That is it.